Add 3/4 cup sugar powder in a bowl. Add natural organic coconut oil, 1/3 cup. It will add a coconutty flavor to the cake. Mix well to combine into a homogeneous mixture. Now add coconut milk 3/4 cup. It will give an extra taste. Mix well until it combines. In a separate bowl, sift the flour 1 1/4 cup with baking powder 1 teaspoon and baking soda 1½ teaspoon. Now gradually add the flour and combine well. If you want, you can add coconut essence ½ teaspoon. Cook peeled and chopped pear 1 cup with 3 tablespoons sugar and add to the batter. Mix well to combine. Add 1 tablespoon of vinegar and mix well. You can see the difference in batter now. Transfer the batter into a greased tin. Bake at 180 degrees for about 25 minutes. Transfer the cake in a cake board. In a cup, mix 1/4 cup of coconut milk. Add 1 cup of icing sugar and mix well. Pour the liquid icing all over the cake. Now the cake is ready to enjoy.